YouTube is free education. But 98% don't know the best professors on its virtual campus. Here are the top 8 channels to accelerate your learning. 1. Andrew Huberman, PhD. Learn from the professor of neurobiology at Stanford. Lessons. 1. How to improve your brain health. 2. How to control your motivation and focus. 3. Get tactics to improve your sleep, energy, and learning. 2. Free Code Camp. The best online resource to learn how to code for free. Lessons. 1. Web development, HTML plus CSS. 2. Understand programming topics, data structures, APIs. 3. Get 4-hour tutorials on Python, SQL, JavaScript. 3. MIT OpenCourseWare. 1,000 plus free courses from one of the top universities in the world. Lessons. 1. Sample any course from microeconomy theory, special relativity. 2. Follow the syllabus and reading lists real-time to supplement your learning. 4. Crash course. Lessons. Number 142 plus courses breaking down core educational topics. 2. A great range of videos covering everything from world history to organic chemistry. 5. In a nutshell. Lessons. 1. Get breakdowns across science fields, psychology, astronomy, biology. 2. Complex topics are broken down through clear visuals and storytelling. 6. Talks at Google. Learn from the brightest minds in the world. Lessons. 1. Why we age and why we don't have to. 2. How to never split difference thinking fast and slow. 7. Daily Stoic. Lessons. 1. Stoic rules for a better life. 2. Lessons from Marcus Aurelius and other Stoics. 3. Building habits and asking important question. 8. Tim Ferriss. From author of The 4-Hour Workweek and Tools of Titans. Lessons. 1. The future of technology. 2. The keys to unlocking creativity. 3. The journey to achieving happiness.
Oh, thank you so much for watching my video. So please subscribe my YouTube channels for more these kind of information and get 100% benefit. See you with the next video with the new information.